RPM and SAP have been working together for over 5 years. It was a relationship that started initially with a shared customer and the desire to improve the integration between the SAP ERP solution and our mining plan solutions. More recently, in the last couple of years, we've been looking at improving the integration and building adapters between the ERP solution and our AMT product. And that drove us eventually to AMT4SAP. When you look at a mining operation, one of the largest costs will be equipment costs. And there are a lot of products out there already that help them manage the maintenance and the costs associated with that. AMT is a little bit different in it's looking at the complete life cycle costs. And in fact, in a real-time world, taking maintenance events and equipment usage information and recalculating what those life cycle costs look like. So that's why we like to call it a dynamic life cycle costing engine, because we are doing that in real time. So what that means is that effectively now you've got a zero-based live budget of what's going on with your piece of equipment. Ultimately, that gives the customer the ability to manage the cost usage across the entire life of the asset. The key is providing the asset owner or the asset manager with the decision-making tools to look into the future and understand the costs for that piece of equipment and optimise those across the life of the asset. But really the first is being able to optimise the maintenance strategy you want to put in place for that piece of equipment, depending on the operation and how you're going to use it. So that can vary quite a lot, and being able to benchmark those strategies across different asset types, either within your operation or across operations. So that's very powerful in its own right. The second is the ability to be able to generate that zero-based budget on demand at any point in time. Sounds pretty simple, but when the mine plans are changing all the time, the ability to be able to take that plan and regenerate the budget and see the impact of that immediately is a very powerful tool for the miners. Eventually, using those maintenance strategies and what-if options to be able to look at those to determine the economic life of the equipment. When should you dispose of it? When should you replace it? What is going to be the impact on your capital expenditure budgets, etc. So once again, another set of tools that allow them to manage their costs very, very effectively. So I would say from a mining operation perspective, they'd be the sort of key benefits that they'd take away.